Hi, I'm Massimiliano Santoni, I'm the CTO of AI Incorporated, and I'm going to introduce you our support homepage. In the support homepage, you find all information you need to set up and control your camera. Now we are going to focus on settings. In order to set up your camera, you have to click on Settings. Once in Settings area, you can choose to download one of the presets made from our experts or make your custom file. To do this, just open the camera, connect it, and if you want to download one of the presets, just click on the icon, download the file into your camera, and you have done. Instead, if you want to make a custom file, click on the file editor here. And now, let's create our custom settings file. First of all, connect your camera. Then go through the editor. The first setting we are going to set is resolution. You can choose among our various resolutions to save your video. Then we see cycle recording setting. This will help you to set the length of each video file that the camera will make in cycle recording. File prefix. This is very easy. This setting is the prefix of the name file that the camera will use to save the videos. Shutter speed. We can choose among three settings about the speed of the shutter of this camera. Exposure. This setting will allow you to override the exposure settings of the camera. You can make it more overexposed or underexposed to have a compensation versus background of very bright and small subjects. Invert is very easy. It's just 180-degree rotation on vertical of the image, so you can hang your camera upside down and record video normally. White balance will help you to create your color correction curve. Then we have sharpness. You can adjust the sharpness of the image to a very crisp and bright image or more soft. The noise is a video noise filter to help you to reduce video noise when recording with very low light. Stilt. In this mode, with stilt setting to on, camera will record without any light. The recording flashing green light will set off during recording also, to allow you to record without the flashing light. Fill light. This set controls the behavior of the frontal illumination LEDs. So, in auto settings, they will go on when the scene is too dark. In manual, they will stay all time on or off according to the setting of the switch inside the control panel of the camera. Gain. With this setting, you will be able to set the gain of the sensor of the camera. This will allow you to have, with low gain mode, very sharp contrast between light and dark areas of the frame, like in the movies, or in the opposite, using a very high gain setting, you will be able to get the faintest light in very low light environment. On auto settings, the camera will change the gain accordingly to the scene. DIS. DIS is Digital Image Stabilizer. These settings can be helpful when you have a very continuous vibration like from a motor or something like that, but to have a more natural effect, we recommend to keep this off. Sleep mode. Sleep mode will insert between one file and the other file in continuous recording mode a standby time. This time is set by the value of this parameter. So, for example, if you set cycle recording to 1 minute and you add 59 minutes on sleep, you will get 1 minute of video each hour. Now, you just have to create your setting file and download it into your camera. Then you can disconnect it and you have done. Let's go set time and date of your camera. Connect your camera, then select time and date from menu and simply generate and download your time file. Then transfer to your camera and disconnect it. Time and date file become effective after disconnecting, so disconnect it just after download.